The second type of special contract is contract of guarantee. Contract of guarantee is formed for the purpose of getting loan, getting goods on credit, employment, commercial engagement, assure honesty, or to indemnify the other party in case of breach of contract. Just see the definition of contract of guarantee. As per section 126 of Indian Contract Act, a contract to perform a promise or to discharge the liability of third person in case of his default. Just for an example, if this person promise this person to discharge the liability for third one, this is known as contract of guarantee. It means the transaction take place between these two, and for this transaction this person extend his guarantee to this on behalf of second person. There are three parties of contract of guarantee. First one is surety, second one principal debtor, and third one is creditor. Surety means the person who gives guarantee. In previous, this person is known as a surety because he has extended his guarantee to this person on his behalf. The another one is principal debtor, the person for whom the guarantee is given. He has given his guarantee for this person. And creditor, the person to whom the guarantee is given. This one is a guarantor. Surety extend his guarantee to him for this behalf. These are the essentials of valid guarantee. The first essential element is existence of principal debt. If A promise to pay for B to C, if creditor has not given any loan to principal debtor, there is no contract of guarantee. It means if B has not paid any loan to C, then the guarantee extended from A will not take place. Second one, consideration. There is no need of direct consideration between surety and principal debtor. Definitely, there is a transaction between principal debtor and a creditor. But for extending guarantee, there is no need of consideration for surety. Third one, no misrepresentation. If surety has given his guarantee for specific transaction, creditor or a principal debtor cannot misuse it for another transaction. For an example, if A has given his guarantee for vehicle loan for B and principal debtor has taken home loan from creditor, in that case, the surety is not responsible and writing is not necessary. There are two types of guarantee. One, specific guarantee. Second one is continuing guarantee. Guarantee for specific debt or for specific performance is known as specific guarantee. Mr. A gives his guarantee to the shopkeeper in favor of Mr. B for the credit purchase of cycle. His guarantee is very specific in nature. It is just to purchase a cycle. It means if B fails to pay the payment of cycle to that shopkeeper, then only A is taken responsible. So his guarantee is limited up to the purchase of his cycle only. Another type of guarantee is continuing guarantee, which is extended for the series of transactions. Thank you. We will see another type of special contract in our next segment.